Hey guys, so it's been a while since I picked up my camera, but here I am. I'm actually, oh, this is awkward. Hey. I'm actually at a store right now. I came to pick up some groceries that I need for the house. But, let me put some music on for this little girl, but I came to pick up some groceries for the house for like the weekend stuff. I always do this. I like go and get groceries for the week. I stock up because I don't really have time during the week. So, yeah. Oh God. People look at me like I'm crazy sometimes. But yeah guys, I hope you all are having a beautiful day. I am just getting my day started. I went to church and now I'm here. But and it's been raining too. But I hope you all have a really good day. A good week ahead of you guys, and sending out a lot of positive vibes, a lot of good energy y'all's way. I hope you have a productive week ahead of you and just a week full of blessings. And I hope whatever goal you have in mind you accomplish this week. And yeah guys, so I mentioned on my Instagram that I wanted to do a toddler and baby haul, like for spring, and I have gotten some of the packages of the clothes that I ordered, but I haven't gotten all of the stuff yet. So probably after you guys see this video, I will have, after this video that I upload, that y'all are watching right now, after this one I will have the haul up. I noticed that that's one of the videos that gets like the most views on here on my channel. I will have that up sometime next week or the week after I post this video up. But yeah guys, and I'm sorry for like the really bad like consistency of my channel. I know I upload and then I stop uploading and then I upload again, but that's just because I'm really busy. Like I said in my last video, I am exclusively breast pumping, not breastfeeding, breast pumping. And if you don't know what that is I'm basically just taking my milk out and feeding it to Juliet. So she's still getting the benefits of my breast milk, but she's not like fully on my boob, you know. But yeah, so that's pretty hard because you have to be like consistent with that, and if you stop, like your breast or your milk will dry out. So that's what I've been doing. It's not like I've not been doing anything. I have been pumping like crazy. I have my schedule. I'm trying to get on a schedule, but it's kind of hard because I still have to like figure out her own schedule, like her sleeping schedule and stuff. But once I figure all that stuff out and she gets a little bit older to the point where she lets me do videos and stuff, then I'll most definitely upload on here more often and be more consistent with my channel. But as of right now, you guys may get a video once a week, maybe once every other week. I'm not really sure yet. I just really have to be like, I just really gotta get on a schedule. But maybe in a month or two or so that'll change, and I'll finally get like a full-on schedule for myself and my kid and my baby. But as of right now, it's just really hard with like breast pumping, you guys. I'm not trying to make excuses of, it's just the reality of my life, and I can't change that. And I wish it were different, but it just isn't. I wish you would just latch on again and just breastfeed, but she won't. I've tried so many different things. Also, if you guys have any like suggestions or any like recommendations as to how she can latch on again, I would greatly appreciate it. So I'm like looking around. I'm here at the store and there's people everywhere, but if you guys know of a way where she can just latch on again, I would really appreciate it, because I'm trying like to get her to latch on again, but it's just so hard, especially once you introduce the baby to the bottle. If you're trying to exclusively breastfeed, it's hard because the bottle, the milk comes out faster than from your boob, so of course they're gonna want the bottle because they get milk faster. Yeah, so there's that, and people look at me like I'm crazy. But there's that, and yeah. But yeah, guys, I will catch up with you guys in a little bit once I get to doing something with my life. So I just ordered my latte. This drive-thru has no freaking like little cover up for when it's raining, and it's annoying. I got rain all over my car. But they always take long at this specific Starbucks. I don't know why. I gotta go. The first portion of me like recording it, I wasn't even recording me ordering the drink, but what I usually get is a venti iced green tea latte, sweetened and shaken. I sometimes order caramel frappuccinos with extra caramel, and I don't know. I bet the person beside behind me was like, "What is she doing?" But yeah. Huh? What? Candy? Okay, thank you. Huh? Let me go this way. Guys, this weather is crazy. We are under a tornado watch, which I should go home because we're under a tornado watch, which is this county that I'm at right now and the county where I live, but we're under a tornado watch and this is not good. Yeah, so right now we're heading home. I don't know if I'm gonna stop by my parents' house or if I'm gonna just go home, but I think I'm just gonna go home because I don't know. I feel like it'll just be safer for us to be home than to, because I also wanted to stop at Target, but that's not a really good idea right now. So I think I'm gonna go home and just relax. Hey guys, so back home and I'm actually about to leave again. Don't ask me why my hair is the way it is. I needed to get it out the way because I was breastfeeding. But right now I'm gonna head out again. Hey?
Okay.
Wait. What? What?
The toys.
The toys? That's the first thing you ask whenever you wake up. Why you always ask for your toys?
Did you come send me? Please go to send me.
Where it's gone?
See.
Maybe it's in the car.
Okay. Come on, Mama.
Kid loves Monsters Inc., but when it comes to bedtime, he will not go to sleep because he's scared of the monsters. He's scared of what's the big fluffy guy? That's no, not Mike Wazowski. Mike Wazowski. Michael Wazowski. I don't know his name, but Boo. No, Boo is a little girl, but he's scared of the big fluffy blue like monster from Monsters Inc. But I tell him that they just like make believe cartoons or whatever, but he insists they're real. So I don't know. But we have like an issue now where he will not go to sleep unless I'm like there falling asleep with him because he's scared that Michael Foskey or whatever that big blue fluffy monster from Monsters Inc. will come out. So, oh Mike, it's just TV. Okay?
It's not that. Mike is scared to touch it.
Hey, can you pick this pillow up, please? And put it on the couch.
Mike is scared as Nino, guys. Mike is scared of Nino, Mama.
But he's not real.
No, Mike